Chef Lodge, welcome to London Gatwick North Terminal, where the time now is 8:35. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Leave your items off and luggage safely stowed until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the overhead seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before you leave the aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal items and any hand luggage with you. And be careful when opening overhead lockers, as items may fall out causing injury. No ground staff waiting to meet this flight, and we'll be pleased to offer any further assistance you may require. Alternatively, you may contact any of our One World Line partners. I remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere within the terminal building. On British Airways, Naomi Kelly, Charlie Neva, Mike Lou, Georgie, Angela Crystal and myself, thank you and a very good morning.
Eso siempre es. Una peña de Cádiz, ahí hace un pollo como la zona ahí, ¿no? Una peña de Cádiz.